Most of us experience hair fall at some point of time or the other. We all wish to get rid of this concern. With proper and regular hair care, we can indeed control excessive hair loss. Let's take a look at how the new Satnic Hair Care Collection helps us in achieving this. Step 1. Cleanse. Satnic Hair Fall Control Shampoo with the help of scalp massage stimulates scalp and helps reduce hair loss due to breakage. Use Satnic Hair Fall Control Shampoo to clean the scalp and hair of all the surface dust and dirt. Wet your hair first. It's important that the hair is wet as it makes shampooing easy. Use lukewarm or cold water. Put a small amount of shampoo onto the palm of your hand. The amount of shampoo may vary according to the hair length and texture. A good estimate would be the size of a 5 rupee coin. Massage the shampoo into the scalp with your fingertips and not nails. Massaging helps stimulates the blood flow to the scalp, encouraging healthy hair and scalp. It also removes dirt. Concentrate on the top of the head. If your hair is longer, don't pile it up on your head. Instead, comb through it with your fingers to reduce tangles. Finally, rinse thoroughly your hair and scalp with cool water. It is important to ensure that no shampoo residue is left behind, as this can dry the scalp and create flaky, itchy scalp. Step 2. Condition. It is important that you condition your hair after cleansing, as it leaves your hair hydrated and soft. Conditioning also helps make your hair more manageable. After cleansing with the Satnic Hair Fall Control Shampoo, condition your hair with the Satnic Revitalizing Mask. It helps to keep your hair hydrated, soft, and helps repair and protect hair from environmental damage. It also helps mend and prevent split ends. After shampooing, gently squeeze the water out of your hair. Take a small amount of revitalizing mask onto the palm of your hand and distribute it evenly along your hair strands. The quantity would depend on the length of your hair. Start at the nape of the neck and distribute the mask evenly with your fingers until you have reached the tips of the hair. Apply evenly along the hair strands and keep it for 3 to 5 minutes. Finish with a rinse of cold water to close off the cuticles and give your hair a little extra shine. Let the hair dry with a towel. Do not squeeze the hair. Let the hair air dry. It's healthier, since blow drying can dry it out and cause frizz. Thoroughly dry your hair. When towel drying, never rub the hair, as this will cause tangling and damage the cuticle of the hair. Satnic Hair Fall Control Shampoo and Hair Revitalizing Mask are safe and gentle for everyday use. For regular conditioning, use the Satnic Glossy Repair Conditioner. Use Revitalizing Mask 2 to 3 times a week instead of the Glossy Repair Conditioner. Revitalizing Mask helps strengthen hair by up to 6 times and also helps to repair split ends. Step 3. Scalp Health. Hair follicle is the living part of the hair. It is very important to nourish the hair follicle to get healthy hair. The third and an important step in the hair care regime is taking care of the scalp. Satnic Scalp Tonic nourishes the scalp and helps promote growth of thicker, fuller looking hair. It has scalp revitalizing complex and a blend of natural plant extracts that helps relieve dry, itchy scalp and increases moisture to the scalp. Satnic Scalp Tonic should be applied to a clean, dry or wet scalp. For best results, apply twice daily. The benefits of the scalp tonic are intensified when combined with this massaging technique. Together, they help stimulate circulation and helps promote hair growth. Step 1. Apply scalp tonic in 3 sections from the temple to the base of your neck. 1 row on each side and 1 in the middle. Step 2. Gently massage in a circular motion using your fingertips. Begin at the sides of your head, starting at your hairline near the temples. Then move your hands back to the area above the ears. Massage each area for 5 to 10 seconds. Step 3. Continue massaging towards the back of your head, going from behind the ears to the base of your neck. Step 4. Move your fingertips to the front of your head. Continue massage starting at your hairline and work towards the top of your head. Step 5. Finally, move to the crown to complete the massaging technique. Scalp tonic has been shown to significantly increase hair diameter after 12 weeks of use. Step 4. Style. Your hair is now ready for styling. Take a generous quantity of styling gel and apply to damp hair. Style effortlessly to create the look that you desire. Go ahead and flaunt that look. This Satwik regime helps control excessive hair loss and helps maintain healthy, beautiful looking hair.